Now in this video I explain arithmetic mathematics which are very useful to the competitive examinations. So I hope all of you catch the class. Now let us start the class. So the first problem here, the circumference of the base of a cylinder is 44 centimeters and its height is equal to 15 centimeters. Then what is the volume of the cylinder? Options are 2310, 1540, 1155 and the 770. Those are the options. Now given that the circumference of the base of a cylinder is equal to 44 centimeters. Now this is the cylinder. The circumference of the base of the cylinder. This is the base of the cylinder. The base of the cylinder is nothing but the circle. So base is equal to circle here. Given that circumference of the base of the cylinder, that is circumference of circle is given. What is that value? Given that value is equals to 44. That is given that what is circumference of the circle? 2 pi r. So given that 2 pi r is equals to 45. 2 into what is pi value? 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into r is equals to 44. That is 44 by 7 into r is equals to 44. Here these are cancelled, then the value of r is equals to 7. So from the given data we can find the value of r is equal to 7. From the given data we find the value of r is equal to 7 here. R is nothing but the radius of the cylinder. So and also given that h is equal to 15, height of the cylinder is equal to 15, that is h is equal to 15. The given question is what is the volume of the cylinder? So volume of the cylinder, volume of the cylinder formula V is equals to pi r square h. This is the volume of the cylinder formula. That is, now replacing the values, what is pi? Pi is equal to 22 by 7 into r value is 7, r into r, 7 into 7 into h value 50 is 22. Now taking the product of 22 into 7 is equal to 154. 154 into 15. Taking the product here, 154 into 15. By taking the product we get the value 2310. That is the first option. Problem a is equal to minus 126 a power 6 b square x, b is equal to a square bx, c is equal to minus 64 a power 6 b square x and d is equal to minus 8 a square bx. Then what is the value of a divided by b plus c divided by c is equals to? That's a given question. Options are 224 a power 4b minus 234 a b power 4 minus 118 a power 4b and the last option is 15 into a cube b power 4. So here given question is we want to find the value of a divided by b plus c divided by d. We want to find this value. So first we find the value of a by b. A divided by b. A divided by b is nothing but a by b. So a by b is equals to a value minus 126 a power 6 b square x by b value a square bx. Now here x cancelled. Here 1 b is cancelled. Here 2 a's are there. 2 a's are cancelled. So the remaining a's is equal to 4. Here 6 a's are there. So 2 a's are cancelled. So the remaining values is equal to only a power 4 a's. Now this returns the value minus 126 a power 4 into b. This is the value of a by b. Now finding the value of c by d here. C by d is equals to c value minus 64 a power 6 b square x whole by d value minus 8 a square bx. Here also x and x gets cancelled. 1 b is cancelled. 2 a's are cancelled. So the value is equals to here a power 4. Minus and minus gets cancelled and this 8 is cancelled by 8 times. So the value is equals to here. So the remaining value is 8 into a power 4b. This is the remaining value. Now we want the value of a divided by b plus c divided by d. Just adding, that is adding these two values, means minus 126 a power 4b plus 8 into a power 4b. Now taking our 4b common here, that is a power 4b into minus 126 plus 8 is equals to minus 118. Minus 118 a power 4b minus 118 a power 4b. That is the third option. That's all. Problem 2x plus 3y is to 3x plus 5y is equal to 18 is to 21. Then the value of x is to y is. So given that 2x plus 3y is to 3x plus 5y is equals to 18 is to 29. And here the options are 2 is to 3, 3 is to 4, 3 is to 5 and 4 is to 3. So in the next step we are writing this equation as 2x plus 3y whole by 3x plus 5y is equals to 18 by 29. A is to b. A is to b is nothing but a by b. So applying that 2x plus 3y by 3x plus 5y is equals to 18 by 29. Now taking the cross product, 2x into 29, that is 58x, plus 3y into 29, that is 87y, is equals to 3x into 18, that is 54x, plus 18 into 5y, that is 90y. Just simply taking the product here, cross product, 2x plus 3y into 29 is equal to 3x plus 5y into 18, which implies 58x minus 54x, that is 4x, is equals to, okay, 58x minus 54x, 4x is equals to 90y minus 87y, that is 3y, which implies the value of x by y is equals to 3 by 4. Therefore, x is to y is equals to 3 is to 4. That is the second option. That's all. Next problem. The rate of compound interest per annum on a sum of 6,250 rupees to become 7,840 in 2 years. That's a given question. The rate of compound interest. The rate of compound interest means we have to find the value of r. R is equals to rate of the compound interest. We have to find the value of r. Given that in 2 years, 2 years means given that n is equals to 2. So rate of compound interest means we have to find the value of r, and years is equals to n is equal to 2. And also given that principal amount is equal to 6,250, and after 2 years the amount will be 7,840. That is, given that principal amount plus compound interest is equal to 7,840, and this is the formula here. Compound interest plus principal amount is equal to p into 1 plus r by 100 whole power n. Now we are replacing the values here. What is ci plus p compound interest plus principal amount is equal to, given that 7,840. So 7,840 is equals to, here principal amount is equal to 6,250 into 1 plus, we have no r value, we want to find this value, so r by 100 whole square, n is equal to 12 here. Now this is 784 by 625. So 784 by 625 is equals to 1 plus r by 100 whole square. 1 plus r by 100 whole square, which implies 1 plus r by 100 is equals to square root of 784 plus 625. And this is root 784 is equals to 28 by 25. So 1 plus r by 100 is equals to 28 by 25. Then r by 100 is equals to 28 by 25 minus 1. Now taking LCM, 28 minus 25, that is 3 by 25. So r by 100 is equals to 3 by 25. Now it is cancelled by 4 times. R by 4 is equals to 3. Then the value of r is equals to 12. Therefore, rate of interest is equal to 12%. That is third option. Next problem. Tushar goes to a gym and loses 8% weight. And if his weight loss was 6 kgs, 560 grams, then his earlier weight is equals to in kgs. The options are 73.440, 81.560 and 82, and the last option is 88.560. So given that Tushar goes to a gym and lost 8% of weight. So first we are taking that the actual weight of Tushar is equals to x. So Tushar goes to the gym and loses the weight 8%, that is 8x by 100, and his weight loss was 6 kgs 560 grams. That is, given that weight loss is equal to, this is weight loss, losses and weight of 8%, that is, this is weight loss is equal to 8x by 100, and also given that weight loss is equals to 6 kgs 560 grams, that is 6.560 kgs. It is 8x is equals to, taking this value 6.560 into 100, and this is equals 100 kgs, and this is equals to 656.000 kgs, which is taken as 656. So 8x is equal to 656. 8x is equal to 656 means x is equals to 656 by 8, that is equals to 82. That is the third option. This is the actual weight of the Tushar. In a 2-digit number, the unit digit is 4 times the 10th digit and the sum of the digits is equal to 10. Then the number is, options are 28, 37, 64, 82. So given that in a 2-digit number, so here we have 2-digit number which is taken as xy. This is the 2-digit number. Given that the units digit is equal to y, tens digit is equal to x. Given that units digit is equal to 4 times its tens digit, that is y is equal to 4x. And also given that sum of the digits is equal to 10, that is x plus y is equal to 10. So x plus y is equal to 10, y is equal to 4x. We have two conditions there. Now what is the number? Given question it, we want to find the number xy. So replacing y is equal to 4x here, then x plus 4x is equals to 10, that is 5x is equals to 10, then the value of x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2, then the value of 5 is equal to 4 into 2, that is 8. Therefore the number xy is equals to 28, which is the first option. Problem. The least natural number which is divided by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 leaves the remainder 1 is the. So the least natural number which is divided by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 leaves the remainder 1. Now we want to find the least natural number which is divided by all these numbers leaves the remainder 1. So first I am finding the LCM of these 5 numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now taking LCM here, first I am taking 2 table here. 2 1s are 2, this is not divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, this is not divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6. Here again I take the table 3 here. 1 1 2 5 1. Now there is no common table among these numbers, so taking the same is equal to taking the product here. 2 into 3 into 1 into 1 into 2 into 5 into 1, which is equals to 6 12 60. LCM is equal to 60. So this is the least natural number that is divisible by all these numbers. Now we want the number that leaves the remainder 1, so we take the number as 60 plus 1, that is 61. Now 61 is the number that is divisible by all these numbers, leaves the remainder, when divided by all these numbers leaves the remainder 1. So option is equal to third option. The following observations are arranged in ascending order and their median is 63, then the value of x is equal to. The given observations are 29, 32, 48, 50, x minus 2, x plus 4, 72, 78, 84, 95. And the options are 50, 54, 60, 62. So given question is the following observations are arranged in the ascending order, then they also given that their median is equals to 63. So median m is equal to 63. This is given. Now what is the value of x? That's a given question. Some observations are there. Also given that median value. Now what is the x value? That's a given question. So first we take the median value. Median is nothing but simply we take the middle value. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 numbers. So what is the middle term here? We have 2 middle terms. Median means simply we take the middle value, but here we have 2 middle values, x minus 2, x plus 4. So we take the average of these two numbers. That is median is equal to 63 means x minus 2 plus x plus 4 by 2. Median is nothing but the middle value. Here we have 2 middle values, so take the average value, that is x minus 2 plus x plus 4 by 2 is equal to 63. That is 2x plus 2 is equals to 63 into 2, that is 126. Then 2x is equal to 126 minus 2, 124. Then the value of x is equals to 62. That is the last option.